What's going on, creators? In this episode, we will be programming our hi-hats on top of the melody we made in our previous two videos. Create a new track, open up Sampler, load your hi-hat sample. I'm gonna use hi-hat 1 from my 100 kit, link is in the description. And we're gonna keep the pattern relatively simple. Turn down the reverb. I'm gonna program the usual 16th note hi-hat pattern and add some hi-hat rolls. I think this pattern is fine for now. And yeah, that'll pretty much do it for this video. In our next video, I'll show you how I like to add my percussion for the beat. See you guys on the next video.